Looking for cistern repair and installation services in Fort Saskatchewan? A damaged cistern can lead to water loss, contamination, and costly repairs. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide professional and affordable solutions to keep your water system running efficiently. Our expert team specialises in cistern repair and installation, addressing leaks, cracks, and full system replacements with precision and reliability. With years of experience serving Fort Saskatchewan, we understand the unique water storage needs in the area and offer customised solutions for homes and businesses. Don't let cistern issues disrupt your water supply. Call 780 695 2792 or book online today to schedule your cistern repair or installation in Fort Saskatchewan with Kingstree Plumbing.